When it's time to replace your home's windows, you'll likely come across two main options: standard replacement windows and impact windows. At first glance, they may look similar. Both can enhance your home's appearance, improve energy efficiency, and boost property value. But beneath the surface, impact windows are built very differently, and those differences can make a major impact on your home's safety, comfort, and long-term savings. Here's what truly sets impact windows apart. Built for extreme protection, the most significant difference between impact windows and standard replacement windows is how they're constructed. Standard windows typically use single-pane or double-pane glass designed for insulation and everyday durability. They perform well under normal conditions but can shatter under strong force. Impact windows, on the other hand, are engineered to withstand severe weather and flying debris. They feature multiple layers of glass bonded together with a strong, clear interlayer, often made of polyvinyl butyryl, PVB, or a similar material. If struck, the glass may crack, but the inner layer holds the pieces together instead of shattering into dangerous shards. For homeowners in hurricane-prone or storm-heavy areas, this added protection offers priceless peace of mind. Even during intense weather, impact windows help maintain the structural integrity of your home by preventing sudden pressure changes caused by broken windows. No need for shutters with standard replacement windows. Homeowners often need to install shutters or plywood coverings before major storms. This process can be time-consuming, physically demanding, and stressful, especially if a storm approaches quickly. Impact windows eliminate that extra step. Because they're permanently reinforced, you're protected year-round without scrambling to board up your home. That convenience alone can make a meaningful difference during storm season. Enhanced security against break-ins. Impact windows don't just protect against storms, they also provide superior security. Standard windows can be broken with a single strike, allowing quick access to your home. In contrast, impact-resistant glass is extremely difficult to penetrate. Even if cracked, it remains bonded together, making forced entry far more challenging and time-consuming. For many homeowners, this added layer of protection is just as valuable as storm resistance. Improved noise reduction. If you live near a busy road, airport, or lively neighborhood, outside noise can disrupt your comfort at home. Standard windows offer some sound reduction, especially if double-paned, but impact windows go a step further. Thanks to their laminated glass construction and thicker design, impact windows significantly reduce outside noise. The interlayer helps dampen sound vibrations, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Energy efficiency benefits. Both standard replacement windows and impact windows can improve energy efficiency compared to outdated, drafty windows. However, impact windows often include advanced features like low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated glass layers that help regulate indoor temperatures. The multi-layer design reduces heat transfer, helping keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Over time, this can translate into noticeable savings on energy bills while maintaining consistent indoor comfort. Long-term value. While impact windows typically cost more upfront than standard replacement windows, many homeowners find the long-term value outweighs the initial investment. Beyond energy savings, impact windows can lower insurance premiums in certain areas due to their storm-resistant features. They may also increase your home's resale appeal, particularly in regions where severe weather is common. Additionally, because impact windows are built with heavy-duty frames and reinforced materials, they're designed to last. Their durability means fewer replacements and repairs over time. Which option is right for you? Choosing between standard replacement windows and impact windows ultimately depends on your priorities, location, and budget. If you live in an area with minimal severe weather and are primarily focused on aesthetic upgrades, standard windows may meet your needs. However, if you want maximum protection, enhanced security, improved noise control, and long-term performance, Impact Windows offer benefits that go far beyond basic replacement. At the end of the day, windows do more than let in light, they protect what matters most inside your home. Understanding the differences empowers you to make a confident, informed decision that supports your family's safety and comfort for years to come.